Hello guys, my name is Andrew and today I'm going to show you how to use this nail stumbler. Of course, here's from Powerfix Profix and it is from Lidl. It costs only €6. And here is some specs for the nails that you can use. 3 of them. And here it is. Different sizes and thickness. First of all, I'm going to use this one. It's very easy. Just unlock this and put it inside here. And then lock it again. Here it is an adjustable how deep you want the nail to go. I'm going to put it in the softest. And 1, 2, 3. And here is what you get. Next, I'm going to use this one. This one you must install it in the middle of the hole. And of course again, secure it. And again. 1, 2. And if you want more hardness. Very good. And the last one, this nail, it goes just here in the slide. Very good. And against the locket. And we can try it. Oh. And here it is. Well guys, that's how you are using this nail stumbler. I hope you like this review and it will be very helpful for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike your video is your choice, my video is your choice of course, and you can think many of these DIY jobs that you want to do with this lovely stumbler. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. Have a nice day. Bye bye.